Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, as you know that we were doing unit number 8, okay? And we have already discussed some of the topic of the unit number 8. Okay, and today again I'm with you all to start with another topic from the same unit, that is world around us. Okay, so the next topic in the unit number 8 is, as you can see on my screen, that is business basics. Okay, though you are a small kids, okay, but today I'm going to tell you about some of the great entrepreneurs, businessmen, leaders, or you can say business professionals, okay, those who have made a great achievement and their field. They have taken their business to such a high level that made them the richest person in the world. Okay, so today we are going to talk about some of the businessmen and some of the business basics things of business related to business, so that you must be aware about some of the basics things about this. Okay, so here today I'm just going to give you examples of few businessmen or the women as well, other than that entrepreneurs. Okay, so in this topic we are going to talk about the base business basics given at page number 57. So students, you all are requested to open your books at page number 57, that is business basics. Okay, so this is the topic that I'm now zooming on my screen, that is business basics. Okay, so in this topic I'm going to show you the pictures of some of the legendary businessmen, okay, all around the world. Okay, so here I'm going to, okay, so let's start with the topic. Okay, so test your knowledge of the business world by answering the following questions. So as you can see, there are few questions, near about 8 questions are given, and those all questions are related to the business only, to the business, the businessman, or the business world. Okay, so now today we are going to learn something a little bit about the businesses that were done in all around the world by the various great entrepreneurs and the business professionals. Okay, so first one is, if New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? ओके, सो they कहते हैं कि जो न्यूयॉर्क में अगर एक जो स्ट्रीट है जिसका नाम है वॉल स्ट्रीट, तो वैसी ही स्ट्रीट एक मुंबई में है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट, और व्हाट डज मुंबई हैव? दैट इज दलाल स्ट्रीट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दलाल? देखिए, दलाल मीन ब्रोकर. ओके, सो जो ब्रोकर्स होते हैं, ओके, अलग अलग चीज़ों के ब्रोकर होते हैं. दे जस्ट आर लिमिटेड टू द डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. ठीक है, जैसे मोस्टली इन द फील्ड्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. तो प्रॉपर्टी के अपने जो हम ब्रोकर्स होते हैं वो आपने बहुत देखे होंगे. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय, क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम, प्रॉपर्टी, लाइक if you want to buy a land or some house or some building, okay, so you will have to consult a broker. Okay, so he is just a middleman between the between the purchaser of the property. Okay, sorry, between the buyer and the seller of the property. So this the dalal or the broker that we call, okay, they worked as a middleman between the um, buyers and the sellers of the property. Clear? So there's a business, sorry, there's a Wall Street. Okay, there's a street in New York. Okay, तो न्यूयॉर्क में, okay, एक street है that is known as Wall Street. Okay, so just like that, we are having a street in Mumbai as well that functions as similar as the Wall Street in the New York. So what is the name of that street? So that is Dalal Street. Okay, तो ब्रोकर्स होते हैं, ओके, इन द डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, ठीक, अलग अलग चीज़ों के brokers होते हैं, those and they just help the people or the businessmen to if they want to purchase any kind of property or anything else, okay, and in return what they get, in return they just get a commission, okay. So if the property, if the deal is okay or the deal is done, so the brokers जिसको या the दलाल जिनको हम बोलते हैं, they will get some kind of commission, okay. So that's why they work very hard. कहते हैं, आप सुना हो जो ब्रोकर्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर होता है कि पीछे ही पड़ जाते हैं कि नहीं सर प्लीज़ ले लीजिए ले लीजिए, क्यों? बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर कन्विंस्ड एंड इफ यू हैव बॉट दैट प्रॉपर्टी, they are definitely going to earn some of the money from that also, okay. So if the New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? That is Dalal Street. As you can see the spelling, DALAL, Dalal Street, STREET. Street means galiyan, okay. Dalal means broker. So Mumbai has Dalal Street, that is DALAL STREET, Dalal Street, okay. Next is Varghese Kurian set up a dairy cooperative in the Gujarat, India. India is jointly owned by about 2.6 million milk producer. What is the name of their leading brand? Okay. So here we are talking about one of the great businessman, okay, whose name is Varghese Kurian, okay. So the name of this one of the very talented businessman is Varghese Kurian, okay, and he has set up a cooperative dairy in Gujarat. Dairy क्या होती है? First of all, what is dairy? देखिए, आप लोग मार्केट जाते हो तो मम्मी कहती हैं जो go and buy some milk from dairy, go and buy some cheese from dairy, okay, go and buy some kind of स्वीट्स, ओके, फ्रॉम द डेयरी. तो ये देखिए, दूध, दही, मक्खन, बटर, आई मीन नॉट द अमूल वाला, ठीक है, दूध हो गया, मिल्क हो गया, कर्ड हो गई, ओके, बटर हो गया, चीज़, ओके, एंड मिठाइयाँ जो स्वीट्स होती हैं. सो दो आपने देखा होगा कि मोस्टली हम कहते हैं ना मिठाई की दुकान, ओके. तो वैसे जहाँ पे दूध के बने हुए प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज डेयरी. सो a dairy is a place, okay, or dairy is a kind of a shop where you will get all the products that are made of milk, and as well as they can provide you the milk as well. तो डेयरी एक ऐसी शॉप होती है जहाँ पे आपको डेयरी से बने हुए सारे प्रोडक्ट्स भी मिल जाते हैं, एंड प्लस उसके अलावा सॉरी दूध से बने हुए सारे प्रोडक्ट्स भी मिल जाते हैं, एंड उसके अलावा यू विल गेट द मिल्क एज वेल फ्रॉम देयर. Okay, so Varghese Kurian is the name of a person who has set up a dairy cooperative in Gujarat. तो उन्होंने गुजरात में एक डेयरी कोऑपरेटिव सेट की थी, ओके, गुजरात इंडिया में, ओके. उन्होंने तो गुजरात इंडिया में एक डेयरी सेट की थी, डेयरी कोऑपरेटिव सेट किया था, ओके, और जिसको बाद में नियर अबाउट 2.6 मिलियन मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स ने ज्वाइन किया. So this dairy was joined by 2.6 million milk producers of the India only. What is the name of this leading brand? That is Amul. Okay, आजकल आप अमूल की चॉकलेट खाते हो. देखिए, जो अमूल ब्रांड है, इट डील्स इन द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर मेड ऑफ मिल्क. तो दूध से बनी हुई चीज़ों के ऊपर ये जो अमूल है दैट उसमें डील करता है. लाइक यू कैन इजली फाइंड द आइसक्रीम्स, ओके, एंड दूध टेट्रा पैक वाला मिल्क भी आता है, देयर कर्ड एज वेल, चीज़ एज वेल, ओके, cheese slices are there, mozzarella cheese are there. So there are different kinds of milk products, okay, that you can find in the name of the Amul brand, okay. But who set up this? किसने अमूल का प्लांट लगाया था? तो इट वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय वर्गीज कुरियन, ओके, एंड इट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन गुजरात. ये प्लांट शुरू कहाँ हुआ था अमूल का? दैट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन गुजरात अर्लियर, विच इज़ इन इंडिया. एंड लेटर ऑन 2.6 मिलियन मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स. मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स मीन्स जिसको हम बोलेंगे दूध बेचने वाले, या जिसको हम बोलेंगे ग्वाले, जिन्होंने कैटल्स रखी होती है फॉर रियरिंग द मिल्क. ओके, सो दे आर नोन एज, उनको हम ग्वाले बोलते हैं. ओके, सो कहते बाद में व्हेन ही हैव स्टार्टेड दिस कोऑपरेटिव dairy in Gujarat. After that, there were 2.6 million milk producers has joined him. तो इसके बाद 2.6 मिलियन जो मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स थे उन्होंने इनको ज्वाइन कर लिया. हाउ दे ज्वाइन हिम? दैट क्या करते थे, जो दूध वाले जो हैं, जो सेल करते हैं दूध, आपने घर में दूध आता होगा, तो ऐसे बहुत से लोग थे जो दोज हु वर नॉट गेटिंग द प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ देयर मिल्क. ओके, कई बार उनका दूध खराब हो जाता था, बट इट इज़ ऑन यूटिलाइज्ड. जहाँ, और अगर वो कहीं दूध बेचने जाते थे तो दूध के लिए उनको बहुत दूर दूर तक जाना पड़ता था, जो दैट इज़ नॉट यूजफुल फॉर देम. सो व्हाट दे डिड, दे जस्ट जॉइंड देयर हैंड्स विद द अमूल ब्रांड. सो व्हाट इज़ इन इट? तो क्या होता है कि व्हेन दे गेट रजिस्टर देयर सेल्फ एंड देयर कैटल विद द अमूल ब्रांड का, जब वो एक बार अपनी कैटल जिससे मतलब दूध निकाल रहे हैं या तो खुद को, दे जस्ट रजिस्टर दैम सेल्फ विद द अमूल ब्रांड. सो व्हाट दे हैव टू डू इज़ कि फिर उसके बाद उनको डेली आके जो भी उनकी गायें या भैंस है, काऊ या बफलो है, वो उनको आके अपना जितना भी दूध होता था, दे जस्ट हैव टू पुट इट इन द प्लेस दैट इज़ मेड फॉर द पीपल. उन्होंने जो अमूल ब्रांड था, उन्होंने कहा जो लोग दूध बेचते हैं उनके लिए उन्होंने एक जगह बना दी थी जहाँ के आके वो अपना दूध मेजर करवा के डेली की डेली या वीकली या फोर्टनाइटली या मंथली, जो सी भी उनकी टर्म्स हों, उनके बेसिस पे वो आके उनको दूध के पैसे देते थे. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट दिस अमूल ब्रांड, जो भी ऐसे मान लीजिए कोई भी ग्वाला जो है, ओके, ग्वाला कह लीजिए, ग्वाला दैन साइड, जो भी अगर कोई दूध बेचने वाला है, जो दूध बेचता है, ओके, when he decided he is going to now he is going to give all his milk to the Amul उद्योग only. So what he do, so वो क्या करेगा कि वो उनके पास तो अपना दूध लेके जाएगा. ओके, एंड द अमूल उद्योग दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द फूड मटीरियल्स टू देयर कैटल्स सो दैट दे कैन गिव मोर मिल्क. तो जो अमूल के ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएटेड होता है, वो उन फार्मर्स को क्या करते हैं, दे ऑल्सो गिव द फूड मटेरियल फॉर द कैटल. तो जिनकी कैटल्स होती हैं, जो उनके कैटल्स होंगे, वो दोज हु गिव मिल्क आर नोन एज कैटल्स ना. सो जो कैटल्स होती हैं उनके लिए दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द फूड आइटम सो दैट द क्वालिटी एंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ देयर मिल्क गेट इंक्रीज्ड और नरिश. ओके, so this is the brand that is started by Verghese Kurian, and that is a dairy cooperative in Gujarat, India. Okay, and it was joined by 2.6 million producers later on. Okay, so what is the name of their brand? That is Amul. So the full form of Amul is Anant Milk Udyog Limited. So this is the full form of Amul, that is Anand Milk Udyog Limited. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, I hope that you are getting my points, whatever I am telling you here. Moving next to the third one. This business related social networking website for professional was founded in the year 2002 and has more than 100 million members. So that is LinkedIn. Okay, so that is link. You can see the spelling of linked. LINKEDIN. It is IN, not LN. It's linked. LINKED. Linked in. IN in. So what is this LinkedIn? So this is just like a social networking site for the professionals. Okay, so you can just term it as a social networking site for the professionals. Like in what term? मतलब किस तरह से? Okay, so this business related social networking website for professionals was founded in the year 2002 and has more than 100 million members. तो LinkedIn नाम की एक सोशल नेटवर्क एक साइट है जहाँ पे कि अलग अलग प्रोफेशनल्स, ओके, नॉट द टिकटॉक यूजर्स और द यूट्यूबर्स, professionals who have gained some kind of professional degrees in the different fields. तो अलग अलग फील्ड में देखिए, you know that there are different kinds of degrees in the for the professional fields. Like for the lawyer you have to do the BLLB. Okay, you have to do the LLB to become a lawyer. Just like a doctor, if you want to become a doctor, you have to do the MBBS or some other courses as well. Okay, and if you want to become a teacher, then you have to do the B.Ed. Okay, and if you want to become a there are lots of professions. Okay, so this is just like a social networking site for the professionals, in which the professional, they just fed their data, that what is their work experiences, from how many long they are working, are they fresher, okay, or other kinds of information, they just put it in the this social networking site. So what is the reason behind it? So the reason behind this is, so whosoever is in their circle, okay, so in case in future अगर उनको कोई ऐसे ही जो भी उन्हें, जैसे सपोज मैंने लिख दिया कि दैट माय नेम इज़ आंचल सिंह, आई एम BCom B.Ed, आई नीड अ जॉब, तो एंड आई एम वर्किंग सिंस लास्ट 7 years in APS. Okay, so what they do, if they and some other professional, they also need the teachers for their school. So what they do, he will just contact me that are you interested in my job. Okay, so neither he is he is known to me, neither I am known to him, but professionally we are known to each other due to our professional accounts that has been created on LinkedIn. Okay, so this LinkedIn, it is a business social networking site. So this is a social networking site for the businessmen. Okay, so they just do, they just what we call it, कि वो अपनी हर तरह की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, दे जस्ट शेयर ऑन इट. एंड इफ समबडी वांट्स टू स्टार्टअप, ओके, स्टार्टअप मीन्स they are going to set up a new business for themselves on their with their own investment. So that is known as startup. Suppose someone is, you are starting a company and you need a accountant and you different kinds of professions definitely you will be needing. So आप क्या करोगे, you will just log into the LinkedIn if you are having an account. Okay, and there you will search for the different professionals. Okay, so according to your need you can search the professionals there easily. Okay, so that is LinkedIn. So this business related social networking website for professionals was founded in the year 2002 and it has more than 100 million members. और देखिए ये जो सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट है, प्रोफेशनल सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट है, सो ये क्रिएट कब हुई थी, इन द ईयर 2002, 2002 में, एंड नियर अबाउट 18 years back it was just came to know to the people. Okay, but now it has more than 100 million members. But अब इस LinkedIn के कितने members हैं, more than 100 millions. So now this LinkedIn has more than 100 million members. Okay, so this is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking website for the professionals. Clear? Now moving next to the fourth one, he is a proud of our country. Okay, ये हमारी कंट्री के लिए एक प्राउड है, सो ही इज़ द प्राउड ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट समथिंग अबाउट हिम एज वेल. दिस अमेरिकन इंडियन बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल became CEO of Google Incorporation in the year 2015. He spent his childhood in Chennai and an alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the greatest businessmen professional in our country, that is Sundar Pichai. So I'll just show you the picture of Sundar Pichai. He is Sundar Pichai. Okay, and when you will see any kind of his interview, though he is one of the richest person in the world, but whenever you see him in any interview, you can search for it, you will see that he looks so adorable, so simple, that nobody believes in that he is the one of the CEO of Google Incorporation. Okay, so he is an American Indian business professional. So basically he is an Indian people, but he was born and brought up in the America only. Okay, and later on he became the CEO of Google Incorporation. ओके, तो 2015 में ये गूगल इनकॉर्पोरेशन के क्या बने, ही बिकेम द CEO ऑफ गूगल इनकॉर्पोरेशन. सो ही बिकेम वन ऑफ द हायर ऑफिशियल्स of Google Incorporation. And as you all know that Google has a special place in the world. Okay, and he became the just a CEO of the Google Incorporation in the year 2015. Okay, he spent his childhood in Chennai and alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. Okay, तो इन्होंने अपना पूरा बचपन कहाँ बिताया था? सो ही हैज़ स्पेंट हिज चाइल्डहुड इन चेन्नई. तो चेन्नई में अपना पूरा बचपन बिताया था. एंड उसके बाद वो आईआईटी खड़गपुर के भी एक स्टूडेंट रह चुके हैं. ओके, सो द नेम ऑफ दिस वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट अमेरिकन इंडियन बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल इज सुंदर पिचाई. दैट इज SUNDAR, सुंदर पिचाई, PICHAI. दैट इज सुंदर पिचाई. Is it clear? Okay. Now moving next to the fifth one. The next one is, this Indian born American business professional became CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. Okay, so he is also an Indian born American business professional. Sundar Pichai was also one of the Indian born business professional. Okay, so just like him, that is Satya Nadella. That is Satya Nadella, SATYA. That is Satya Nadella. He is also an Indian born American businessman. तो ये भी इंडिया में पैदा हुए, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट he just started living in the America. Okay, so he is also the one of the business professionals. Okay, and he has become the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. तो सन 2014 में he became the CEO of Microsoft. तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के CEO कौन बने? दैट इज सत्य नडेला इन द ईयर 2014. सो जस्ट लाइक सुंदर पिचाई, ही इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द अवर इंडियन. सो ही ऑल्सो मेड अवर कंट्री प्राउड. ओके, तो इन्होंने भी हमारी कंट्री को एक जस्ट ही हैज़ एडेड लॉयल टू आवर कंट्री. सो बिकॉज बीइंग एन इंडियन ही बिकेम द CEO ऑफ वन ऑफ द लीडिंग business houses in the different fields. Okay, so he is the Indian born American business professional and became CEO. और वो CEO कब बने? In the Microsoft. So he became the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. तो सन 2014 में he became the CEO of Microsoft 2014. So his name is Satya Nadella. That is SATYA. SATYA, Satya Nadella. NADELLA. Okay, that is Satya Nadella. So he is an American business professional. Okay, and who has later on who has become the CEO of Microsoft. Okay, so that is Satya Nadella. Okay, I hope that you got my point. Now moving next to the sixth one. Which company headed by Larry Page and the Sergey Brin is the parent company of the Google and several other companies previously owned by Google? So here we're talking about a company, okay, so whose head was Larry Page and the Sergey Brin. So Sergey Brin and the Larry Page was the head of that company, okay, and is the parent company of Google and the several other companies. Okay, and this company is also the parent company of Google. Okay, so मतलब like parent companies कि that this Apple Incorporation is a part of, okay, it's a part of Google Incorporation. So that means Google is the parent, he is the father, and other companies that are known to him known to it, okay, is a son. Okay, so Google क्या आपको कहते हैं, Google पापा है और बाकी जो कंपनीज उसके अंडर आती they are the son. So that's why it is known as the parent company. Okay, so the head of which company headed by the Larry Page and the Sergey Brin? That is Alphabet Incorporation. That is Alphabet Incorporation. So you can see the answer number 6 that is given in the book. Okay, that is Alphabet Incorporation. Alphabet, ALPHABET, Alphabet Incorporation, INC. So this is the company that was headed by Google and several other companies. Sorry, by the Google. Okay, that's why the Google was known as the parent company. Okay. So moving next to the seventh one, that is, which bank serves as the central bank of India? So हमारे इंडिया का सेंट्रल बैंक कौन सा है? दैट इज रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. तो देखिए, यू नो मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट सेंट्रल बैंक नाम का तो एक बैंक है, आपका एटीएम आपने भी देखा होगा. ओके, सो जब मैं छोटी थी आई वॉज ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज दैट दे सेड दैट कि द जो सेंट्रल बैंक है वो सिर्फ एक ही है एंड द कॉमन पीपल दे कांट डील विद द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल बैंक, बट इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. एक्चुअली सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया is the name of the bank. Okay, but here we are talking about which bank serves as the central bank in India. Okay, तो कि कौन सा बैंक है जो कि सेंट्रल बैंक है इंडिया का. सो विच बैंक इज सर्व्स मतलब उसको माना जाता है या वो करता है, ही एक्ट्स एज अ हेड ऑफ ऑल द बैंक्स. ओके, सो विच बैंक सर्व्स एज द सेंट्रल बैंक इन इंडिया? दैट इज Reserve Bank of India. Okay, a common people can't deal with Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so this Reserve Bank of India deals with the bank. Okay, तो जैसे आम लोग हमसे हमारे साथ डील करते हैं, so just like that this central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, it deals with the banks. तो जितने भी banks हैं उनके साथ कौन डील करता है? That is Reserve Bank of India. That is repo rate, reverse repo rate, all these are decided by the Reserve Bank of India only, or you can say the team of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so देखिए जब तक किसी का कंट्रोल ना हो, so nobody is going to follow the rules. So देखिए फॉर इसीलिए ताकि जो बाकी जो लोग हैं they are not going to suffer. Okay, so they have made a head of all the banks, जो कि ताकि हर बैंक अपनी मनमानी ना कर सके. So there is a central bank in India that is known as Reserve Bank of India. Okay, moving next to the eighth one, who became the youngest and the first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in the year 2009. Okay, that is Chanda Kochar. आपने सुना होगा शी इज़ द यंगेस्ट, मतलब सबसे कम उम्र में और सबसे पहली महिला थी जो ICICI बैंक लिमिटेड की CEO बनी थी in the year 2009. So that is Chanda Kochar. So Chanda Kochar is the youngest and the first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in the year 2009. So the name of this one of the achiever is Chanda Kochar. इनका नाम क्या है? That is Chanda Kochar. So you must have heard about them. So you have heard about her. She is one of the very talented businesswoman. She is known as one of the very talented businesswoman. So on her own will, she became the youngest and the first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in the year 2009. So the answer of the eighth one is Chanda Kochar. That is CHANDA. Chanda Kochar. KOCHHAR. Okay, that is KOCHHAR. Okay, so this is the answers of the question 1 to 8. The first one is Dalal Street, DALAL, Dalal Street, STREET. Next one is Amul, AMUL, and you are going to write the Amul को पूरे सारे AMUL को you are going to write it in the capital letter only. Next is the LinkedIn, that is the social networking sites for the professionals. Fourth one is Sundar Pichai. So Sundar Pichai is the Indian business professional. Okay, and he became the CEO of the Google in the year 2015. Okay, he spent his childhood in Chennai, and other than that he was also the one of the students of IIT Kharagpur. Next is Satya Nadella. So Satya Nadella is also one of the greatest Indian born American. Okay, so he became the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. तो सन 2014 में Satya Nadella also became the CEO of Microsoft. Clear? Next is which company headed by the Larry Page and the Sergey Brin is the parent company of the Google and several other companies previously owned by the Google. So the name is Alphabet Incorporation. So the name is Alphabet Incorporation. Okay, moving next to the seventh one. Which bank serves as the capital of if the central capital in India? That is Reserve Bank of India. तो हमारे इंडिया का सेंट्रल बैंक कौन सा है? दैट इज रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. Last is she became the youngest and the first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in the year 2009. Okay, her name is Chanda Kochar. Okay, her name is Chanda Kochar. So I hope that you enjoyed learning about this chapter. Okay, so with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, study hard and stay safe.